Hi, I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma Demystified and QI Macros. This last week, I was out in Anaheim for the American Society for Quality, ASQ, World Conference on Quality Improvement. And we were exhibiting the QI Macros at the booth, and one guy came by, and he was from Singapore. And we got to talking, and we found out that, guess what? In Singapore, they're teaching quality improvement techniques in grade school. Grade school. And they have students in high school learning how to draw control charts, Pareto charts, histograms, fishbones, using the tools of quality. Now, I want you to think about this because I don't think that's anywhere in the American educational system, all right? So the rest of the world out there is trying to get ahead of this curve so that they can be profoundly successful in the future, because all of their kids will know problem-solving techniques and tools, right? So that they can create a hassle-free world, hassle-free healthcare. You know, don't just look around, right? We have to look across the borders. And I had another guy from Vietnam stop by, and they were doing similar things, right? So Asia is hungry. Maybe we're not hungry enough. That's my improvement insight for this week. Let's start getting everybody involved in quality improvement. Let's get a little hungry. Let's go out and improve something this week.